So you do it twice. What are we doing? So starting on a 4, you hit it twice, up to the 5, 4, 2, open, 2, slide up to 4, 2, open, A. So, sorry. Am I putting an extra note in there because I'm going slow? No, I'm not. So you hit the 2, then hit it again to do the slide. So it's and then the second part. So on this first part, the A, that's one note. That's all you hold it for, and then you right back to the D. So the second part, open 1, 2, 1, open 3, or sorry, G, low G, A, 2, 1, full strum open. So that's the whole thing, and you repeat it twice. I think it's safe to say that this is not a beginner song. If you want to attempt it, go for it. It's anything that, anytime you reach for it, you're just going to improve. So, but just don't be dismayed if it's not one of those ones that come easy, because there is a lot of tricky timing with the picking. But the more you do it, the more you'll get, right? Course. Oh yeah, so we start 4 G, so we're doing 3, 3, 5. So 4. So just the basic notes by itself. 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4. No. So 4, open 2. Now, the chords behind it. So we're doing 5, 5, 7. That's going to be a B minor substitute. So that's the 3, 3, 5, and then it's 5, 5, 7. And the other chord is going to be open, open 4, and then it ends on a B 2, 1, 2. Second part. Okay, so second part, open 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, full open. So we're going up the chord. So 1, 0, 1, full strum 2, G, low, high G, A, and then from the A, maybe a little hammer on, and then a full strum. Put it all together. And then from there, a lot of it repeats. So right after the first time you do the chorus, you go back to verse 3, which I said is going to be the solo. So you do it as a solo there. So once you do that as a solo, then verse 5 is going to be the same as verse 4. Do it twice. You can do a chorus. From that chorus, now it goes back to the slow part, and this is the next part that is going to be what we already did, but in a different voice. And we did it up high, now we're going to do it down low. And this is optional. You can put this in, you don't have to. You can do the same as up what we did before. So the part is... Okay, so the way this works, there's two parts to this, right? The endings. So the first time you do it, you're doing the second part because you're just using it as instrument break. So you do the... I think I screwed this up in the video. But the first time you do it is where you end in the D instead of ending in the A. Because the other way was... But no. So you do it that ending in the D. If that makes any sense. I hope it does. It's because you're just doing one line as a break between the fast and the slow. Because you're bringing it back. And it's not even really slow. It's just a more mellow part. So you could do it this way. Yeah, I went 4 open, it's actually 4-2. So you do that once as a break. Now, the different way of doing it is... And I kind of like that just because it breaks it up. Because the next you're going into... verse 20 million, verse 6, which is going to be the same as verse 1, right? So it just gives it a nice break. So what we're doing there, the beginning is the same. And then on the second string, 3, 2, 1, but you hit it once and then go into the low G. So it's... And then we hit the G again. So it's... So you hit the G again, climb back up. Second, 3, full strum open, low string, 2nd fret. And then it ends the same way, but we do it on the low string. So low G, 2nd fret on the low for the D, So G, D, A, double D to end it. So it's... And then you do verse 6, which is the same as verse 1. And then you do another chorus. And then the outro is the same as verse 1 again. So, because it's the same as verse 1, you can decide to do it the high part or you can do the low part to end it. I kind of like doing the low part. Just because you can really hit it. Well, that's not true. First time you do. Second time. That's it. Oh, I know, there's lots there. It's not my fault. That's how they wrote the song. But once you, it does, like I said, this was not an easy one for me to learn. This was, mostly got it from the original video. I just slowed it down to half speed or whatever I could do. And line after line, I just sat there and I listened, pause it, and then I hum it in my head just to get the ups and downs, high, low, high, low. And it was a painstaking process to get this because there really is nothing out there for this when it comes to tab. No, that's not true. I did find one thing, and it helped me with one line. And then I brought it home because I was doing it kind of, we're doing this at work. And so I have my Merlin, but I don't have a guitar, so it was a guitar tab. So I brought the tab home and I played it on guitar. Like, this is just complete garbage. It's not even close to being right. So this usually you can find hints out there. Like chords always helps because that's going to help you figure out what you need to learn. But this one, oh, it took me a week, and I gave up like 4 times. And then the video I did yesterday is not perfect, but that was like take 80, not even kidding. And it was one of those things because most songs, you got verse, chorus, and it just repeats itself, right? So you learn the first part, second part. Sometimes there's a bridge you got to learn. Sometimes there's intro, but no big deal. Couple parts and you're done. Not this. Every freaking line was different until the end, right? And so I start playing, and it was horrible because I get to like the 6th verse, and then I screw up like back to the start. Such a good song, though. Such a good song. I'm trying to see how much time left is on the camera. We're at 34 minutes. Is that right? That can't be right. Holy shit. Well, no stopping now. Usually the camera restarts. I wonder why it didn't. Oh yeah. So, as I was saying, you can strum it or you can pick it. I just want to do that fast part as a pick. Just to show you the difference, because the video I did was the strum. So I'm just going to start from after the 2nd verse where we go to the intro. And I will screw up. And then it goes to the chorus where it slows down. And I know I'm doing it way so fast, but it's just so cool once you get it. And I still don't. I'll be playing this for weeks yet before I get it. Good. But we don't have weeks till Christmas. That was my reason for pushing this and trying to get it done as soon as I could. Okay, I said I'm done. I'm done, people. I can't believe this is such a long video. I should have split it into two. Live, you learn. Practice, patience, have fun. We'll see you guys next time. And Merry Christmas.